Hi, I'm Lexter, a product specialist at CV Linens. In this video, we're going to show you 3 easy ways to style a universal chair cover. If you haven't heard of a universal chair cover before, they're a fantastic linen because they have a rectangular pillowcase shape. Their shape allows them to fit almost every event chair type, including banquet, folding, and chiavari chairs. These slip-on covers are stress-free and a breeze to decorate with. We carry a wide assortment of universal chair covers on our site, cvlinens.com. With 3 fabric options and over 15 color choices, there's sure to be one that fits your next event. A link to our full selection of universal chair covers can be found in the description box. Universal chair covers look incredible on their own, but if you're trying to make your event decor stand out, we have a few easy and affordable styling tips for you to try. Our first style uses a rhinestone clip and is quick, simple, and glamorous. Once you have your chair cover in a basic tie with the ends tucked in, simply place your rhinestone clip over the knot tie. You can adjust the clip as tight or as loose as you like it and secure it in place with the Velcro edges. We carry both silver and gold rhinestone clips, so you can choose which neutral best matches your event's color palette. If you're wanting to tie another color into your event decor, chair sashes are a great way to do so. Available in over 30 fabrics, color, and styles, it's never been easier to coordinate your event decor. Take your chair sash and create a knot in front of the knot from your chair cover. Bring the longer end of the sash to the front and pull it under and over the knot tie. You can do this several times until you have the length you desire. We've saved the easiest method for last. Using the chair band styling method is as effortless as it gets. All you need to do to get the gorgeous look is slip your chair band over your chair and position it to cover the chair cover's knot tie. If you're feeling extra creative, you can add a brooch pin to the chair band for a truly eye-catching look. It's almost unbelievable how easy it is to style our universal chair covers. We hope this video gave you a few ideas on how to style the chairs at your next event. A link to all the linens and decor used can be found in the description, or visit us online at cvlinens.com. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.